that defender who denied and thwarted each of FC Goa's opportunities. There's a chance, and what a penalty. Zozoa against Harry. FC Goa cannot let this miss. Oh, great penalty. But Harry pushed at the boys, that confidence he exhibits. Can he exhibit here? Oh, it was a great one to secure a place in the group stage. He has to score this one. And Wellington perfectly. Safe play for Churchill brothers. Alan Kolako taking those steps. And it's a great save. Wonderful save. Under the sunset, under the orange sunset, will it be FC Goa? They have the penalty, and it has definitely gone inside. The stakes burning. It's Bradley against Bob Jackson. And Bradley too, opportunity to build on it. It's Citroy. Beautiful penalty.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.